Hi everyone, welcome back to RPA Stuff. Today I'm answering a great question from one of our subscribers, Bruno. Thank you for commenting on my video. Bruno asked how to use regular expressions to count how many times a word appears within a text. Great question, Bruno. Let's dive in and explore how to achieve that. This is our input string, which contains random number of phone numbers. We have to create a bot that will count number of contact numbers present in the string. At line 1, I have assigned our input to string variable input para. Our next step will be to get length of our string. We will store it in number variable length. For reference, I am displaying in a message box. We'll initialize two number variables, index and counter. Both will start with a value of 0. Next, we'll create a loop using a while statement. The condition for the loop will check if the index is less than or equal to the length of the text. This ensures that the loop continues to execute as long as index is within the bounds of the text. Inside the loop, we'll use a find action to search from the provided source string using a regular expression or string value. For the start from option, we'll specify the index variable +1 to begin searching from the position after the last found occurrence. The output of the find action, which is the new position of the found string, will be stored back in the index variable. Next, we will add an if condition to check whether the number variable index is equal to 0. If it is, we will exit the loop using the break statement. Otherwise, we will increment the value of the counter variable. At the end, we will display counter, which is the count of the mobile numbers present in our string. Let's run the bot. "242 is length of our input string. 4 is the count of contact number present in our input. You can use this same logic to find count of fixed word in a string. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe for more such content.